This video will demonstrate the iStradaView app for the concrete customer. Once the app is downloaded from Google or Apple Store, you'll simply click on the icon, and after you put in your login credentials, the first thing you'll notice is what we call the dashboard. So you'll have your pie charts here with your, in this case, two different projects, Project 01 and J1. And this is where you can see what's been loaded, what you have remaining, and what's been completed. You can also, if you'll click up here, this is where you'll be able to find your tickets. So you can click tickets here, and once these come up, this is where you'll be able to get all of your information from your tickets for today. So you can see these are all the tickets for the different projects that we have listed. Now, if you need to export the ticket, we can export. You can select which ones you want to send, and you can select the date range. You can download them as a PDF, or you can email them. So you have to select the date range, which is today. If you want to add anything there, if you want any voided tickets, you can put that there, and then this is where you'll send. So you'll be able to send your tickets as well. You can also accept or reject the ticket. So if the customer is on the job site and the load's bad, then we can reject the ticket. Once we hit the red X, you'll have a box that comes up. Why is it rejected? This is where we'll put the rejection in, or we can accept it. Once we hit accept, then you'll have a box that come in, and you'll have an option for a signature here. We'll just go ahead and accept it. So that's been accepted. You can search your tickets by projects. So if you only want to see the tickets for certain projects, you can do that there. Or you can also search the tickets by date. So if you want to see what the tickets were for, last week or this week, you can see all the tickets for this week. So this is when you're out on the job site, the customer's out on the job site, he wants to see his tickets, he wants to see what's been loaded, and have the option to email or print the tickets out on the job site. If you have a mobile printer, you can certainly do that as well. So these are some features that the app has for the concrete customer when he's out on the job site.